Upon reaching in the open space near under construction building of naval area at Gandhinagar, one accused by name Samir Sheikh alias Firdaus, resident of Gurudwara Road, Mangor Vasco, was found attending to some plants which one been carefully noticed and found to be ganja plants. We have seized a total number of 26 plants, ganja plants. The maximum size of ganja plant was around 5-7 feet. All these 26 ganja plants thereafter were uprooted and attached under Panchanama in the presence of Panch witnesses. They were also weighed and found to be 428 grams of ganja, all worth rupees 85,600. The accused person who was found at the site, Firdaus alias Samir Sheikh, has been taken into custody